Hey guys, Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV. Thank you for clicking the link. This is the Coachmen Catalina 19TH toy hauler. Go ahead and come on inside and we'll take a look. These ones are a perfect size, as you can see. Kind of got everything you need here. We'll start back here in the end. Back here's your queen size bed. Has your dinette table here that'll fold out in the middle. Nice amount of storage above the bed. And then inside of here, your restroom, good size bath, shower, and toilet. And over here, as you can see, double sinks. A 3-burner stovetop, Furrion oven, microwave here, and exhaust fan. And over here you have your couch that'll fold up flat against the wall. So you have all of this space for whatever you have to put back here. A good sized television and entertainment system. And again, a nice large amount of storage here. And one of the really cool features about these, as you can see, when you put down the ramp, you can have it up and then you have your handrails here so you can have a back patio. On the exterior of this unit, you have good size awning here, exterior speakers, and then the outdoor power with coaxial, so you can set up a TV outside. And under here, nice amount of basement storage. And then we'll come around on this side. Over here you have your exterior shower and all of your water connections. Then back here you have your ramp controls. As you can see, nice and easy to use, simple clip system. You unclip both of these. And the ramp comes down nice and easy, and as you can see, the handrails fold out here for a nice sized patio. Thank you guys again. This is the Coachmen Catalina 19TH toy hauler. If you guys have any questions or want to come in and take a look at it, just go ahead and give me a call, 541-731-8583. Thank you again for clicking the link.